Hello and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Ooni Karu 16 gas burner and the heat up time of the gas burner and my little quick autumnal apple dish. Let's do it. Just pulled this out of the box, and in there we have the hose and the gas burner. And I'm really pleased to see that the hose is connected to the gas burner. Otherwise I would have had to attach it there, and that saves a lot of time and effort. I'm gonna just take all of this off and take it to the oven. I've had to take off the lid for the chimney and also unscrew the wood fire back plate. So here's my gas burner. I'm going to put this on now. I've also taken off the hatch for the wood burner. Just carefully. And then just lift it on there and it should just go in place. There you are, it's on. Just grab the Allen key and just slightly, not tightly, put that on. Just enough for it to stay in place. That's in place. So there you are, that's what it looks like. It looks very similar to the Ooni Karu 16 and Karu 12's burner on the dial, and the rest is new. I'm going to stick it onto my gas burner, gas bottle. So it was in the box with this upright, so you'll need to turn it to the side and then turn it upright. So it was in like the on position when it was in the box, but I've turned it off, put it back into the on position. Now it's ready to work. So that's what the gas burner looks like two eyes staring at me, partly shut eyes staring at me. So it comes forward, not over the whole of the back grate area, but nearly. The instructions are that I don't ignite it with the door on. So I've left the door off to ignite it. I've also got to make sure the vents are completely open and the chimney is open as well. So here we go. This is the first time I'm going to ignite this oven. So I leave it in for 5 seconds and then gently release it. That's on full, so I'm going to go and see. I don't know if you can see that there, but that's on full. Ooh, that's a really nice, it's coming right over. This is the low on this burner. That is high. That is medium. It's got a nice sort of wispy flame coming out of it. So I'll come back in 5 minutes. So 5 minutes later, and the stone is through, well, the air temperature is 334 after 5 minutes. I'll be back in another 5 minutes. Five minutes later, and we're at 391 degrees centigrade air temperature. So that's 10 minutes, been a bit more than 10 minutes, probably about 12 minutes really with the door on. It's coming up to temperature nicely. I think the benefits of this, I've been thinking now as I've put the gas burner on, which I hadn't thought of until then, is that I'm having the same advantages of a wood-fired cook in that I'm cooking with the door on. It's going to be quicker for the stone to heat up because the door's on. If you look at the other gas burner ovens, they have no doors and no chimneys, and So the advantage of using this oven with a gas burner is that you can put the door on and you've got your chimney to take the heat out like a wood burner. So I do expect this to heat up a lot faster than a gas burner oven, and it will keep the stone warmer at the front as well. There's one downside for me in that because it's got a chimney on the gas burner, I won't be able to use it in the drizzle or the rain. I can't put a cover over it like a canopy, which I do with the gas burner ovens. It'll be a dry day cooking pizza oven, not a wet day or a possibly drizzly day. I'll have to save those days for the gas-fired ovens. Okay, so we are now at 15 minutes since I put it on full flame, and the air temperature is now 416 degrees. I'm going to check the stone temperature now to see if it's any different. So the stone temperature is 325. So that's quite a lot of difference there. Okay, so it's been another 5 minutes and the temperature is now 431 air temperature. I've just thought of another advantage of having the door on with a gas burner. The wind, it's a bit breezy today, but with this gas burner there doesn't seem to be any effect of breeze on it because it's pretty much enclosed in there. The back burner, if I just show you, doesn't really have any, there's no like gaping holes or anything it could blow into. It's all covered up in there. There's no gaps underneath the oven there. There's nothing to affect it from the wind. So it's a bit breezy outside here, but it's not affecting the flames or the oven inside, and that's a really good thing. So there are a few bonuses for having the door on. Is also the flames do not soot up the glass. We're at 447. Okay, so we are now at 30 minutes and the air temperature is 454. The stone is, so it's 406 with an air temperature of 452. Okay, we are now at 35 minutes. The air temperature is 463 degrees centigrade. So it's at 427, 430 in the middle. They were, so 35 minutes on full flame. When your air temperature is about 460, the stone is going to be 430, and that's about right. That's the same as the wood-fired oven. It was about 30 degrees difference in the air temperature to the stone temperature. So that's a good guide if you are going to be using this oven and you use centigrade. I'm not going to be cooking a pizza today because the weather is really bad. A lot of windy, wet weather recently. I'll be using my cast iron pan for this cook. There's apple and sugar and cinnamon in here. I just want to make something autumnal for my tea. So let's put this in. So I've got the oven on low now, and it's so nice to be able to see it cook. I don't mind if it takes a while to cook. I'd rather it get nicely just went out on low. So I'm put it slightly higher than low. I've put it just slightly above low so it doesn't go out again. And let's see how this cooks. It looks as if they're cooking really nicely on there. It's going to be turning them around in a minute. Get the other side done. Actually, I'll do it now. Okay, so I'm going to go and check to see if these are cooked. They look really nice. Second, I've got to make room on the side because of the door. Look at them. So nice. I'm just gonna go and get a fork. Let's go and try one of these and see if they're cooked. Oh, try that bit with all of the bit of sugar and cinnamon on it. It smells of toffee apple. They are cooked. They're like crunchy cooked. They're not soggy. Try this one. Those are more cooked. They're soggy. I mean, they're soft. They're all soft. One landed on the glass. See it reflecting in the machine and dropped out. And hope you enjoyed my review of the Ooni Gas Burner, unboxing and heat up time of the gas burner, and my little quick lovely autumnal apple dish which tastes really nice. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye. Turn it off, just push in and turn to naught, bind to the button and turn off. Just turn this back down to the off position and there's a button to press there. Just press it and it releases it and you're done.